I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cupcake cream at home. First, gather your ingredients. 1 cup of unsalted butter, 3 to 4 cups of powdered sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 2 to 4 tablespoons of milk or heavy cream. Make sure your butter is perfectly softened, not melted, for the ideal texture. This simple preparation ensures a smooth start to your delicious frosting. Begin by creaming your softened butter in a large bowl using an electric mixer. Beat it on medium speed for about 2 to 3 minutes until it becomes light and fluffy. Next, slowly add the powdered sugar, 1 cup at a time, mixing on low speed. This prevents sugar from flying everywhere and helps incorporate it smoothly into the butter. Once the sugar is mostly incorporated, add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Then, slowly pour in 2 to 4 tablespoons of milk or heavy cream, 1 tablespoon at a time, until you reach your desired consistency. Increase the mixer speed to medium-high and beat for another 3 to 5 minutes. This final step creates a wonderfully light and airy cupcake cream, perfect for piping. Now that your homemade cupcake cream is ready, it's time for the fun part, frosting. Use a piping bag with your favorite tip, or simply spread it with an offset spatula onto your completely cooled cupcakes. Add sprinkles, chocolate shavings, or fresh fruit for extra flair. This cream holds its shape beautifully and tastes incredible. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below. Enjoy your delicious creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.